We all know that the Bank of Canada began cutting overnight key interest rates starting in June, followed by additional cuts in July, August, September. And October 23rd, it made its biggest reduction of 50 basis points, bringing the overnight rate to 3.75%. Initially, these rate cuts didn't have much of an impact on the Toronto and surrounding area real estate markets. Buyers were hesitant, holding on for even lower rates, and also were put off by the high costs of housing and high mortgage rates. This led to weak sales during the summer months. In fact, sales during July, August, and September were lower than they had been in decades, even though the region's population was now significantly larger. Things turned around a little bit in October, with the 4 rate cuts providing some relief in affordability. Many buyers returned to the market for the first time in many months. Sales surged with 6,658 properties selling compared to 4,611 properties selling in October 2023, and a 34% increase from September. However, sales were still below typical October levels. In 2011, over 7,600 houses were sold in the month of October. Home prices remained strong despite the increased activity. In October, the average sale price was $1,135,000, a slight 1.1% increase compared to last year. Prices for detached homes in Toronto rose significantly, with an average of $1,778,855, up 4.4%, while semi-detached homes averaged around $1,315,000, up 3.3%. Condo sales also improved, rising 33.4% year over year, although the growth was smaller than for houses. The average condo price in Toronto fell slightly by 1% to $721,366. Despite this, condos still made up for 35% of all available homes in Toronto, with 8,774 units on the market by the end of October. Overall, the market supply remained higher than the pre-pandemic levels when inventory was tight. By the end of October, there were 24,481 properties for sale across the region, a 25% increase from last year, where there were just over 19,000 properties available. New listings slowed in October, but aligned more closely with the pre-pandemic norms, with 14,700 homes hitting the market. Semi-detached homes, especially in Toronto's east and west neighborhoods, were in the highest demand. These properties sold quickly and often above asking price. In the western areas, semi-detached homes sold for an average of $1,350,000 in just 19 days at 103% of ask. In the eastern areas, they sold even faster, averaging $1,235,000 in just 13 days and at 107% of ask. The supply of semi-detached homes remains extremely limited, with only 515 available citywide, representing just 2% of the overall total market inventory. Early reports are showing that November may replicate the October numbers. On December 11th, we will get another announcement from the Bank of Canada as to how much they're going to drop their overnight rates. We're all hoping for 50 basis points. And if that happens, it's good news going into 2025, where consumer confidence will increase and affordability will increase as well. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, please reach out.